This is something else.
Soak it all in.
Definitely a shock to the system. How about we say that?
All right, guys, I'm here with RM17 winner. This is Rod Spickelmire, who goes by Rod, not
Yes.
Gerald, right?
Yes.
I remember we called your voicemail and it said Rod, and it kind of threw a couple people off.
I bet.
Yeah, so that's your nickname or your middle name, or?
That's a short version of my middle name.
There you go. All right, so I'm here with Rod Spickelmire, the winner of RM17. Just picked him up from the airport. He flew in from Payette, Idaho. I guess flew in from Boise, Idaho, but
Yes.
Payette, Idaho by way of Boise, Idaho. And he's down here in San Diego, and he is just about to lay eyes on his brand new, better than new 1970 Dodge Charger. You ready?
Let's give it a shot.
Let's do this.
Thank you. Now this is something else. Walking this direction around the car reminds me of the build sheet video.
Right where we filmed it.
And evidently, I followed your instructions on the build sheet video because I won this car by buying nothing more than a hat. Matte black, leather interior. Good Lord.
That's a power seat, so the adjustments are by your left hand at the bottom there.
Gotcha. Good Lord. Definitely a shock to the system. How about we say that?
You guys want to start it up? Yeah, might as well go through the ignition sequence.
Yeah, we need some ventilation in here, especially from this exhaust. That sound is next to heaven, put it that way.
Pretty cool, right? A little bit different. So we got the old school Dodge Brothers right there, and then these seats are out of the anniversary edition Charger. So they've got the Dodge inlay on them, 100 years of Dodge, kind of a cool throwback. But everything up on the dash is custom. AC controls are up underneath here. Everything else, pretty straightforward. And there's that bored out 400. I'm sure you've seen the dyno sheet on that. Damn. That's a pretty solid plan. We had to leave something to you. We didn't do that.
Gotcha.
It's all here.
And I say again, this is a shock to the system. And
Something, huh?
my name's Rod Spickelmire. I just won this 1970 Dodge Charger, $20,000 from RestoMods.com.